Hi guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So since it's Tuesday, naka-white t-shirt uniform tayo today. So samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So let's go guys. So, nandito na tayo sa work guys, and as what you have noticed, wala pa rin tayong deliveries for today. So, hindi masyadong loaded yung work natin. So, for today's agenda guys, we'll just have to encode all the sales, and I'll also check all the deposit sales kung pumasok ba lahat ng mga sales. So, that would be my agenda for today guys. So, wala naman masyadong ganap today, and there is no deliveries at all. So, yun, chill lang tayo for today's video guys. So, yan guys, chill lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, stay tuned guys. So, yun guys. So, working. And I just want to share with you guys na 4 days na lang is ikakasal na yung kuya ni Nick. So, super grateful talaga ako guys. Kasi nga, this is my first time na attend ako ng kasal na isa akong bridesmaid. So, sobrang busy talaga guys. Especially yung parents niya talaga, yung family niya. Kasi nga, sobrang hassle din talagang mag-organize ng isang wedding. And, yun, sobrang grateful ko talaga kasi nga sobrang supportive din ni Nick and tinutulungan niya akong hanapin yung mga outfit na kailangan kong suotin. So, super thankful talaga ako. So, yan guys, share ko lang. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, stay tuned guys. So, after work guys, nagmerienda lang din kami ni Nick and nandito nga pala kami sa coastal. So, sobrang ganda ng view dito guys. And as what you have noticed, nasa extended coastal kami guys. And sobrang ganda talaga ng view dito kasi nga makikita mo talaga yung dagat. And sobrang refreshing din ng hangin dito guys. So, yan guys, dyan lang muna kayo and magpapahangin lang muna kami. So, yan guys, pauwi na din kami. And bago kami umuwi guys, is dumaan muna kami dun sa sisigan. So, bumili kami ng sisig para ulam namin ngayong gabi. So, dito kami bumili guys sa may Pantalan banda kasi nga sobrang sarap ng sisig nila and worth it na din guys yung 120 pesos mo. So, yan guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!